Lunchbox Made Easy. So when my eldest daughter Ashley first started primary school at the age of 4, she came home with her lunchbox uneaten most days. So really it was kind of looking at, was it that she didn't understand how to eat her lunch? Was it that now she's in a class of 30 or more children and no supervision? So I really had to kind of teach her how to eat her lunch and maybe look at what was in her lunchbox. So I started talking to other parents to find out that the lunchbox actually was the most stressful meal for them, and in order to get their child to eat, they were just packing it with lots of food in the hope that they'd eat something. So I started to write this book and offer a permanent solution that will suit every child. I have included over 100 different recipes, from soups, pastas, sauces, to mimicking foods that I know kids love, and I know your kids will love these recipes too. My philosophy for school lunches is the same I apply for every single meal. Preparation is key to healthy home-cooked foods. I hope my book inspires you to implement my advice into your school lunch routine. Check out mommycooks.com for more details.